from the audience? Yeah, one interesting future direction is to add a packing formulation extension. But from what you just described, it seems very non-trivial.
Right, yes.
Can you comment on how we can tackle, say, if you require the flow can only be decomposed into up to maybe 3, how to do that?
Yeah, so we can, so to solve the packing framework directly, let me go back to this presentation. We have 2 options. We can either use the multiplicative weight update algorithm, which is very slow, but it can solve the LP with an arbitrarily high precision, or we can use the much faster permutation routing, although we don't get any theoretical guarantees related to that. But the key is that these 2 algorithms here can solve the packing LP directly, and so we have a method of doing this.
Okay.
Almost on the can you move to the next slide? Yeah. So here you said at the beginning that according to the structure of the network, one algorithm performs better than other. Do you have some insight, given just the structure of the network, to understand which method to follow a priori? Did you try to understand this?
So if the network is, so there may be some constraints, like, for example, if the network is very large, you may not be able to use Cplex to solve it. So you may be forced to resort to something like MW or permutation routing. However, I mean, if the network is large and you have some time constraints, then maybe the best choice is permutation routing if you're okay with reasonable solutions. But if you require more precision, it's going to cost you more time, but you would use MWU. I would say that if the network is small enough, I would usually go with Cplex because it's much faster than the other 2 algorithms.
You have also the theoretical guarantees.
Exactly, yes. Yeah.
We don't we didn't really analyze the structure of the network, but the 3 things for qualifying a network as large or small are like the number of commodities and the number of edges majorly.
Yep.
Okay, I understand. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the questions.
Thank you.
Very good.